boy Yg Mhlekazi, straight from the Gazi. Inspires and does. She's a 10 out of 10, babe. Kuting mtangeli Benz. She's a 10 out of 10, babe. Kuting mtangeli Gucci bag. Kuting mtangeli Louis dress. Purple dress just to match with the pants. Pure intentions, I don't play with my baby. Pure intentions, I don't play with her feelings. Oh baby, young feeler. Babe, I got pussy, ngisho ne tequila. Babe, she's a type and yenzo my body. She's bad and Gucci. Only for me, whenever she speaking, she telling me honey. Pure heart, tell my baby's holy. Like Goli, benzo pandi golite. Met my baby a real diamond. She's covered with dust. Yes, a curse. I'm so sure where we from. Yg Mhlekazi, inspires and does it. Straight from the Kasi, we never had nothing. Only dreams and hunger to make it in life. That's why I'm going so hard in this beat. Whenever I speak, my heart beat twice. Ipupo al body as long as I beat up. Pagamu yo pandu se hapo baba. Inspired, they're crossing the fingers that I fail. Inspired, they're crossing the fingers that I give up. I skis in my nigga, I can't quit. This shit is in my head, this shit is in my vein. It keeps me awake each and every night. Each and every night, it's a sleepless night. I will go harder and harder until I'm at the top. My nigga, I will never sleep. I will go harder and harder until you feel it. Now young feeler, you calling me dangerous. Your baby mama, she be feeling me. She be catching feelings. She be texting me each and every night, each and every day. Ungishela ukuthi uyangithanda. Mina ngifuna ubaby. Mina ngifuna udala. That's a girl that I want. She calling me daddy. She calling me YG. Yeah, my baby. She's a 10. Nevuka kuseni. She's a 10. Wedu kwatile. She's a 10. My baby, she's cute. She's a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. She's a 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 10 out of 10. 10. She's a 10. 10. She's a 10. 10. Yeah, dog. My guy, she's a 10, dog. She's a 10 out of 10, dog. She ain't a 10 because of her looks and stuff. No, dog. Even her personality is a 10, dog. She loves me so much. She's been there with me, dog. And but then mine, she's a 10 because she's looking beautiful. And I will always love her, babe. I love you so much.